Hello, welcome to Spy Money. Let's talk about the Ninja Suite. What went on today? I run a different bot today, and I run the Beast bot. And I run different bots all the time. I usually run Rinko bot because it does so well. But today I decided to go ahead and run the Beast bot. And I didn't turn it on until after the news event this morning. I don't like to run bots through the news because a lot of times you'll get so much volume that the bots can't handle it. So we don't run bots during the news. We wait until after it's settled down a little bit. Once the news took off, then I went ahead and turned it on. I only run one contract. That's what I usually do whenever I show people how it's working. You can do your own math to see if you'd run four contracts or whichever. So it's up to the individual. Right here, we had a winner trade right here, and then we had a loser. So these two would have canceled each other out. But if I look back at the others, this one right here would have been a winner, winner. This would have been a winner, and this would not have entered. That one would not have, but this one would have been a winner. So, and then you'd have a loser here. And I actually had this trade. This is a winner right here. And I went up here and it took another trade for me. So this one trade was actually my 50% goal, but I went ahead and let it trade one more. Usually when you get, I thought it was actually going to take a trade here, but it didn't. That would have been a great trade too. But there was no signal for it. And then after it shot all the way up, we got into another trade and it just hit it and just took the profit. And I paused it at this point. I was up almost 100%. It's like 96%. So it's $960 on one contract. No sense trading anymore. That's the way I do it. I hit my goals and shut it off. Sometimes I'll hit my goal. I'll let it run one more trade. And if it's a winner, then I'll take another one. But in this case, I just wanted my $1,000 and be done with it. So this particular one did not let it run anymore. We did have some losers right here. And then we had a winner there. We had a winner here, and this would have been a winner. This one would have been a winner, and that would have been all. So it would have actually finished out pretty good for the day, but I didn't run it, and I just let it go. So at this point, we are at the end of the day, and when the session opens up, then we will take a look and see what it's going to do. I may go ahead and run this tonight, this evening. Depends on how it looks. So I want to look back, and that's one thing about it. A lot of people ask, well, how do I know when to turn on the bot? Well, what we do is when we look at a bot, you can turn it on and pause it and see the signals in the past, and that way you can see if it's making money, losing money, or whichever. A bot is not always going to make money, so you have to look and make sure how it's actually running in the past. So I teach how to do that. And once you understand that, it's real simple. It's not hard to follow. The Rinko bot's even easier to look than this one. But as you can see, it still places the signals. And then we know, the members know where to get in and such, and they can look and see how much money they'd make. On this particular strategy, it usually makes around $450 per trade, per contract is usually what it makes. And it's going to depend on the signal and so forth, and it depends on what time frame you actually run it on. This particular time frame, it usually comes out to right around $450 or so, give or take. And maybe I think it's actually 480 something this one makes. But it does a good job. So how do you get started? Often I get these questions a lot. If you go up here and click on the Ninja Suite, or you can just click on the home page right here. But if you click on that, it'll open up to a lot of information of what actually comes with the Ninja Suite. It's not just a couple bots that you get. With the Ninja Suite, you're going to get all the indicators on my website, plus you get some indicators not available to the public. So you're going to be able to use a lot more indicators than what you can get on my website. These will never be for sale or lease. And I also have 3 bots. Getting ready to possibly make a 4th bot and that's coming soon, and it actually does really well. It's based off of the Renko, but I have to make a separate bot for it. The entry's a little bit different, and so it'll be 4 bots that you can run. We do live trading and we do live training, and we have a Discord room to where you can go in. I post charts, news, call outs, training, trades, just anything that I think that would help someone trade during the day. I will post it in there. I'm not there all day because I do take off in the afternoon. My wife and I usually take off and grab lunch and just run around. So you don't want to really trade in the afternoon anyway. You want to be done by, somewhere between 10 and 11 o'clock. You ought to be done. And if you're not, a lot of times you're just going to be um, costing yourself more money because the afternoon is usually not good to trade. 2 to 4 in the afternoon Eastern time is not too bad sometimes, but for the most part, you should be done. So you come down to the bottom. You can click on the least the indicator right or the Ninja Suite here. You click on that, and it will open it up, and you can go from there. If you have any questions, you can go to the Contact Us. I personally answer these emails. So whenever you fill this out, I'm usually almost instantaneous. I mean, usually I'm on my email. I'm very good about customer support and taking care of you. If you need to talk to me, we can do that as well. If you need me to go over some things, I have some different questions, whatever I can do to help you make a decision. Even if you don't lease the Ninja Suite, at least you'll have your questions answered. We do offer 3 funded accounts. You can click on the logos up here and it'll take you to it. Take your coupon with you. Earn to trade, when you click on that link, it'll automatically go. And then you have these coupons down here. All of them are good through the end of October. So if you're watching this video late, then maybe those coupons will work for you. I'm not sure. Right here goes over each one of them, a comparison between the 3. And it really kind of depends on what you want. The customer support with UProfit has really increased greatly. So we put them back on our website. Earn to Trade is a very good company as well. And Apex, second to none. They've got a few little things I don't like about their program, but for the most part, they're very good. The payout just takes so long. If they would change that, they would be number 1. So between these 3, they're all really good. If you're looking for quick money, these 2 right here, you're going to actually get paid quicker on UProfit than you are Earn to Trade, because this takes 10 days and this takes 15 days on your valuation. But you can click on those logos and take it to the website. You can compare them and look at them and see what works best for you. Again, the Contact Us right here, and right here is where you lease the Ninja Suite, and it comes with everything. There's nothing else that you have to lease or purchase from there. You get everything inside the Ninja Suite. Live training, and it's phenomenal with all the stuff you get and how people are making money with it. Again, this is the BeastBot. That's what I run today. I may run this tomorrow as well. I think that the market is going to work well with it. But as you can see, the signals are really good. It's not one that trades a lot. So if you're looking for something that's going to be trading every 5-10 minutes or so, this is not the bot for you. I do have other bots that trade quicker than this, but this one does a really good job. It's a risk reward is the way we work on it. You can do a 1-to-1, 1-to-5, 1.15, or whatever you want to do. We use a 1-to-1 risk reward on just about all of our bots. It's what we try to stick to. That way if you lose one and then you win one, you're break even. And it's much easier. There's a lot of people that, there's some competition out there that have bots, don't even use a stop. I cannot believe that. Who would enter the futures market without a stop? That's beyond me. I would never enter a trade without a stop. Anything can happen. So you can lose thousands in one trade. So we always have stops, always. Never enter a trade without one. But if you have any questions, let me know. I'd be more than happy to help you. I hope this helped you in making a decision. If not, let me know. Have a great day.